think I do good work?
Yeah.
Do good work. Look at that big old arm hammer. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's another new day. As you can see, me and JP, we are invested in this channel. I mean, check these out.
These are awesome.
We're looking the part, right?
We look great.
So I was out playing patty cake, and JP, he got started without me. But what we did in the last video is we did work out this side of the bed. So we kind of smoothed it out, put a little primer on it, got a little more work to do on that side. And what JP did is he started on this side. So what we got to do is the same thing. We got fiberglass up this top rail, got a bunch of dents over here we got to fill up. So all I know is we just jump in there with both feet, keep it going, and get it done.
And don't get our shirts dirty.
JP said he didn't have enough money to buy us one of these things, so I got to straighten it out with a hammer. So it is what it is. See, JP, he underestimates me. Alrighty, man. We jumped on this thing. It was like one of them Puma days, wasn't it?
It was. We bounced all over this bed. I mean, we touched every panel 3 times.
Yeah, we worked hard. You know, we got the tailgate off. Made a lot of good work. Got a little Bondo on that. It's looking good, nice and flat. The top of our bed here, getting real smooth. Gonna have to have another coat or two, but that's all right. We didn't hardly get as far as we wanted to. The daylight left us, and the night caught up with us. That's what happened today. But we do like our new shirts that we got here. These things are.
I kept mine clean. I don't know. You got yours dirty there.
I just tried to not get Bondo on it. You know, the first day I get this shirt, and I just knew I was going to get Bondo on. Look, I got it on my good pants. How about that?
You know, it took like 3 months to get these shirts. I don't know what your deal was.
Yeah, I don't know. I think they was on, over there in California, they was on one of them ships.
Okay,
so
that makes
sense. They finally got them unloaded, and they sent them to us today. And we like them. We're invested in this channel. I mean, we got lots and lots of exciting things lined up, don't we?
Absolutely. You wouldn't believe it.
And this little truck is just going to be one of the things that launched it all. So I tell you what, if y'all like what we're doing, subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below. Until next time, we're out.